What if your confidence isn't disappearing overnight, but slowly fading because of habits you don't even notice? Most people don't lose confidence because of one big failure. They lose it through small daily actions that quietly shape the way they see themselves. Here are 7 habits that may be destroying your confidence. Habit number 1, constantly comparing yourself to others. Social media often shows people's highlights, not their struggles. The more you compare your everyday life to someone else's best moments, the easier it becomes to feel like you're falling behind. Habit number 2, focusing only on your mistakes. Your brain naturally remembers failures more than successes. If you never acknowledge your progress, your confidence has nothing to grow from. Habit number 3, avoiding challenges. Confidence doesn't come before action. It grows because of action. Every time you avoid something out of fear, you teach your brain to doubt your abilities. Habit number 4, negative self-talk. The voice you hear most often is your own. If that voice constantly criticizes you, your brain slowly begins believing those words as truth. Habit number 5, trying to please everyone. Every time you ignore your own needs just to avoid disappointing others, you send yourself the message that everyone else's happiness matters more than yours. Habit number 6, procrastination. Every promise you break to yourself weakens your self-trust. Confidence grows when your actions consistently match your intentions. Habit number 7, surrounding yourself with constant negativity. Your environment influences your mindset more than you realize. The people you spend time with often shape the way you think about yourself. The good news is that confidence can be rebuilt the same way it was lost, through small daily habits. Tiny positive actions, repeated consistently, create lasting confidence over time. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. The habits you practice every day determine how you see yourself. Start changing those habits and your confidence will begin to change too. If this video helped you, subscribe and follow to the Mindshift GLK for more psychology and self-improvement content. And tell me in the comments, which habit do you struggle with the most?